Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create cybersecurity awareness banner design in Photoshop. Start with a cyber blue layout, then add a mesh pattern to simulate a digital security grid. Insert a lock icon using custom shapes, add neon red highlights around the lock for urgency. Surround it with circuits lines for a hacker-proof look. Use bold fonts for warnings or awareness text. Add glow effects behind the headline. Insert shield shapes for protection visuals. Also add dotted lines to show digital scanning. Apply a glitch texture for threat alert style. Now add blurred particles to create a cyber arena.